Hello guys, Aditya here. This is my final assignment for the project named as the seismic design of the G plus 23 structure. In this video, I am explaining the seismic analysis and design of the G plus 23 structure on the basis of response spectrum and time history analysis. As follows, I will explain one by one. For the seismic analysis, first go to define, then define the load patterns. Then add the seismic load and select the IS code as 1893-2016. As I already added the seismic load, it's showing this. And then go to modify lateral loads option. And select the x direction and y direction, as we are analyzing the seismic load on the x and y direction, and assign these values as per the IS code 1893 2016. As for I explained in last video, that is that we are considering the building in the Bangalore region. Okay. After defining the seismic load, but we are not directly assign the seismic load on the structural members. So directly go to the analyze menu and select the set load cases to run. Then we will run the structure for the dead load, live load, and seismic load. As we are analyzing for the seismic load, there is no need to run the structure for the wind load condition. Then select the wind load and click on the run / do not run case, that it will shows the action of do not run. Change the action to do not run. Then we will run the structure for dead load, live load, and seismic load, and then click run now. It will run the analysis for the structure. After completion of analysis, it will show the deformed shape as it shows the action of the assigned load on it. We can click on any member and get the details for that member by clicking the right click. Like this, we can see the point displacement and the drift in x and y and z direction, like this. Okay. Now our model is ready to design the design. So for designing, select the design tab. For concrete frame design, select the concrete frame design. Then set the preferences as IS 456 2000 for a design code, and then click OK. And again go to this tab and start design / check, or simply click the shift plus F6 key. Now our structure is designed for this load combination. Now to check our structure is safe or not, click on the concrete frame design and then select the verify all members are passed. It's showing all the concrete frames passed the concrete check, design check. Okay, now our structure is safe, so click OK. we can get the report, final report as output from this tab. Report, click on the report, and we will get the project report, and we can get the details from the summary report, like frame details, structural details, and section properties, material properties, like this. Now we will go to design the we will go to analyze the structure basis on the time history method. For that, go to define tab. Firstly check the we added the seismic load or not. As sorry, as we run the analysis, our structure is locked. So firstly unlock the structure, then go to define tab, then go to load patterns. As we added the seismic load, then no need to add the seismic load, but goes to modify lateral load option, and for time history method we are running the analysis on the x direction only, and remain the other options as same, and click OK. Okay, then define the function as a time history, and for time history we are using the using from file, and as I already added the time history function by using the from file, and click OK. Now we will run the analysis for the time history method. So for that, click on the analyze tab, then select the set load cases to run. Now we will run the analysis for the seismic load and time history. So there is no need to run the analysis for the dead load, live load, wind load. Okay, I will change the action for this. Now we will run the analysis for the seismic load and time history load case. Now click on the run now. It will run the analysis for our structure for the seismic and time history method. We can see the progress of our analysis in the left bottom corner. After completing the analysis, our model is ready to design. We can also visualize many other options like SFD, BMD from this display tab, and select the shear force diagram, and we can see the various frame forces like shear forces, bending moment diagrams, and we can see also the shear forces in the shells, shear stresses in shells from this tab. Okay, we will go to design. For that, select the design tab, and then concrete frame design, select the preferences at IS 456 2000. Okay, then we will start the design check, then click on start design check, or simply click the shift plus F6 key. If some frames are failing to for the design check, then reiterate the analysis and design. So click on yes. Okay, now our design check is completed. Then we will go to check our structure is safe or not. For that, select the design tab, then concrete frame design, then verify all the members are passed. Yeah, it's showing all concrete frames are passed the design check. Then click OK. We can see the report of the project, final report of our project, and project report and summary from this report tab. For see the details, click on the summary report for getting the details like frame sections details, section properties, material properties, um, uh, and other details which required for the execution of the structure, like this. Various forces for the members, forces acting on the members, and other reinforcement details for the various member. Okay, now we complete the seismic analysis and design of the G+23 structure. Thank you. Lastly, I want to acknowledge the Skyfi Labs for this wonderful course. Thank you.